Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. At the first, I would like to say thank you very much for the juror, for the committee that give me the chance to speak in front of you all. Actually, this is my first time to make presentation in English. I'm very scared actually, but no problem. This is first time I'm come to London and make a presentation in the front of people, English people. Okay, thank you. Okay, in this presentation, I would like to divide my presentation in 5 stages. The first is introduction. The second is about the project description. The third is about the project execution. The fourth is about the project outcome, and the last is conclusion. Okay, let me starting from presentation. My project is about landslide disaster protection project. Next, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Romi Ramadan. I live in Jakarta. I get my bachelor from civil engineering at University of Sumatera Utara. I get my master from Gajah Mada University. Now I am as a BIM manager. In my last project, I am a engineering design in LRT project. I have my main experience in civil engineering project. It's about 15 years. Okay, next. This is about Indonesia. I will introduce about Indonesia first. Okay, I want to show you how big Indonesia. How wonderful Indonesia. If you say that there's so many islands in Indonesia. The distance from the Sabang to Merauke about 5,400 kilometers. It's like from Iran and UK. Okay, too many ethnic group in Indonesia, too many language in our country. That's why I say to you, at least we are mastering 3 or 2 language beside English. Okay, this is about Indonesia, and now I'd like to introduce about my company. Actually, my company is PT Wijaya Karya. We are the 3 biggest construction company in Indonesia. We established in 1960. We issued our initial public offering at 2007. What is Wika? Wika is the 3 biggest company in Indonesia. 65% owned by government of Indonesia. We advising the diversity and ethnic, and we driving innovation forward. That's Wika. You see this, some project that we handle, we do in overseas. We have 5 pillars in my company. We have investment, industrial, energy, infrastructure, and realty.
Just being a leading company in the country is not enough. Then construction projects overseas are also rich. In addition, in the context of benchmarking, Wika wants to see and learn how the big companies overseas.
This is our project in Timor Leste. We built airport, OQC airport in Timor Leste. We built jetty. We built bridge. We built power plant. Not only in Timor Leste, we built in Malaysia, in Southeast Asia, Libya. We have project in Libya, Algeria. We built toll route in Algeria.
So far,
We built
India has reached the construction
housing,
market in
apartment.
Africa, Southeast Asia, and has entered the Middle East market. In carrying out a project, we can emphasize the concept of cost, quality, and time. It means we have been trying to make every project that we work on has superior quality, without light efficiency and effectiveness aspects. This is what makes us able to survive in the competition.
We built
in the construction sector
monorail.
today.
This is the velodrome in Jakarta. We built for Asian Games.
Provide a strong and consistent
Asian Games.
platform to encourage every weaker resource in winning the competition, not only in the domestic market, but also in the
Okay.
international market.
Okay. Next. Okay. What's our achievement in 2017? If we see this figure, this presentation, actually we growing up from the 2016 2017. Our profit growing up about 13%, revenue growing up about 67%. Order book our growing up about 28%, and now in 2017 we handle about 143 projects, and we projection in 2018 we can handle 163 projects. Okay, I have explained about the overseas project. We have project in Southeast Asia. We have project in Middle East. We have project in Algeria. Okay, I will explain about our signature project. Actually, we built a dam. We built a high-speed railway. Actually, Jati Gede Dam is the second biggest dam in Southeast Asia. And for the high-speed railway, this is the first high-speed railway in Indonesia. We built high-speed railway about 140 kilometers from Jakarta to Bandung. And then in the bottom, this is the LRT Kelapa Gading. Actually, this is my previous project. We built this project only not more than 2 years. I think this is the fastest construction for the LRT project. And we built power plant, we built bridge, we built the iconic bridge in Jakarta. This is the longest curved segmental bridge in Jakarta. Okay, we go to the next stages. I would like to explain about the project description. If you see this map, you see that the red color is the area that have the risky area. The red is the risky area for disaster. If we see, based on our data from the local government in 2017, there are 6 resources for the natural disaster. And landslide is the 3 biggest resources causing for natural disaster. Why landslide can be 3 biggest causing for natural disaster? Because there are 4 causing. The first is Java Island prone to landslide. The second is loose soil characteristic. And the third is the soil effect of land use change. You know, Indonesia is the development country. We change the forest to the agriculture area. We change the forest to commercial area. And the last is triggered by wet season rainfall. This is the 4 why too many landslide disaster in Indonesia. Okay, next. You can see this video. This is the landslide disaster that occurring at March 28, 2018 at 9 p.m. We get this video from the local government, from the CCTV. Because if you see this area near the hotel, near the housing of people, we can get this video from them. It's very scary, I think. Okay, next. Project location. Actually, our project location is in the existing route that connecting Jakarta and West Java. This is the existing route. This is the main route to connecting Jakarta as the capital city of Indonesia to Bandung as the capital city of province of West Java. This is the existing route. This is the location. West Java, Indonesia. Next, the scope of work. If you say, I will state again about the description of project. The owner of this project is the Ministry of Public Work. Schedule of the project about 150 days. Project is about 43 billion rupiah or 2.9 million US dollar. The scope of work is about retaining wall, shotcrete, wall protection, retaining wall, drainage, and bore pile, and earthwork. Okay, I will explain about the timeline even. If you see this, this is the time when the disaster occurring at 28th of March, the landslide occurring. And why this project is very important for us? Because 2.5 months from the disaster, we have Homecoming Festival. In Indonesia, we say Idul Fitri. This is the best event in Indonesia because we are the biggest Muslim world, the biggest Muslim country in the world. This is the very important for us. Actually, the disaster is the small problem for us. But if we cannot construct our route, this problem to be the national disaster for us. Because there is no, because this route is the main route to move the people from the Jakarta to the outer of Jakarta. If we see this, when the landslide occurring at end of March, 1 or 2 days after that, Ministry of Public Work appoint WIKA to make feasibility study, to make preliminary design. And the middle of April, 2 weeks after that, we bring our team. We start for make surveying, to make design. And if you see this, at early of May, only about 2 weeks after that, we have to starting our construction for temporary road. That's why, because we have completed the temporary route before the running for the Idul Fitri, Homecoming Festival. We just 1 week or 5 days before the Homecoming Festival, we completed our temporary route. And 2 weeks after Homecoming Festival or Idul Fitri, we starting for the main structure. We construct the retaining wall. And now, in October, our productivity about 50%. And we hope the end of November or early of December, we can complete this project here. Totally from the disaster until completion, the project completed the construction, we need about 9 months. 4 months for design and 5 months for construction. Okay, next. Okay, what is our project challenges? There are 4 project challenges in this presentation: weather and ground obstacle, heavy traffic, tight schedule, and design and construction simultaneously. Okay, what's our goals? What is the goals from this project? There are 5 goals: 3 reducing, 1 minimizing, 1 increasing. Reducing the project design schedule, reducing the site risk, reducing the project design cost, minimizing impact of manpower, turnover, and last is increasing amount of infrastructure project. Okay, next. Okay, this is the project execution. We divide project execution in the 5 stages. The first is surveying. We use BIM ContextCapture to make surveying. With aerial surveying plus photographic surveying, we get reality modeling here. And then, for design route, we use OpenRoads Designer. With OpenRoads Designer, we design road alignment, vertically, horizontally. We design corridor, and then we get the preliminary bill of quantity. And next, Plaxis. With Plaxis, actually, I'm mastering of Plaxis. I have used this software from 15 years ago. When I heard that Bentley acquisition the Plaxis, I'm very happy. Okay, with Plaxis, we can make a design by staging. This is the point. Okay, we can make analysis. We can make analysis for the bore pile. We can make analysis for the landslide. And after we get the bending moment, the safety factor, we can make our design. Next, for AECOsim building infrastructure. Okay, with AECOsim building infrastructure, we can produce the 2D and 3D drawing. With 2D drawing, we can produce the detailed engineering drawing. We can produce 3D model here. Okay, next. The last is for with LumenRT. With LumenRT, we can visualize 3D model and photogrammetry. And then we can make a virtual reality to showing project interactively. You can see this. We can make animation. Okay, next, the project outcome. We can make for the schedule. Here, you can see that we can construct our structure from the top of on the top of area, and then in the middle, and the last is in the bottom. And then we construct for the cut and fill, like this. Okay, we can get the 3D model and quantity here. We can make 3D model and visualization. We can get the volume. You can see that we can saving our cost for design about 20%. Only with 1.5 weeks, we can complete our design. And then, class and navigation, you see that this, we can get the class detection. We can get a class between the soil nailing and retaining wall here. For the class detection, we can saving our cost about 5% here. And then for site navigation, used for viewing, modeling, and identify element, and monitoring real-time progress easily. Okay, the last is conclusion. I will state again the summaries in this project. Bentley BIM can integrate it process from surveying, geotechnic, civil structure during the design process, and then using comprehensive BIM capability software solution in root structure and geotechnic. The third is design and construction work simultaneously, because we don't have time to do this project in normal condition. This is the extraordinary condition. We have to do design and construction simultaneously. And then we can detect the clash and resolve design issue before the construction begin. For the last, monitor and view update model easily on site with visual 4D schedule sequences. The key point is optimization, efficiency in cost, time, and quality. For cost, we can do optimize and get efficiency about 25% here. In time, we can speed up, expedite design and construction about more than 3%, I think, here, save about 3 months. And for the quality, we get more accurate actual design result and better look. This is the lesson learning is with the digital approach, we can optimize the cost, speed up the project schedule, get the accurate design, And Bentley Beam is the right solution to face this challenge. The last I can say again, in this project, we can get the better, faster, and cheaper. I think that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. And maybe if there are any questions, I give you the chance, please.
Sure.